Just out fishing a wrasse video, and I remembered I have a bit of wrasse footage that I didn't actually show you guys. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to show you what I've been getting up to. It was a beautiful day. There was thunderstorms overlooking the bay. It was pretty special. Now unfortunately the camera died, so we didn't get the whole thing, but sit back and enjoy.
Right or left?
Straight down to that point. So we are back and we are sea fishing. I just hope it's for some big pulls and wrasse. I just think that is one of the best things you can get from fishing. So we're down here, I imagine, all around these spots. Dodgy enough stepping, and we are in the clear. Woohoo! This is what it's about. So down here. My spot! Thought I'd bite there, maybe didn't. Oh, it feels like bite, but it's not. Oh, got one. Nice enough. Not a bad one. Such a cool fish. Look at the teeth in it. Oh, is he down there? Who's down there?
Same sort of fella you had.
Nice one. Still.
They seem to sit on the upshot, don't they?
So they're sitting on the yeah, whatever washes off. Yep. Oh, there's lots of them in there.
I think there is, yeah.
Ooh. Oh geez, that wind's picking up.
Yeah.
That's heavy wind. Right, let's aim for over.
Far point.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Same spot again. It's hardly the same fella again. Quit it, come on.
Huh?
I'm trying to get you out of here.
What?
I said I'm trying to get you out of here. on its last legs, look at it. And try and put the hook through it. Weedless sand eel. There's loads here. There's loads here. Let it drop down. We should have a hit fairly soon. I might change lure. Oh, top.